I'm about 2 hours late. Not gonna lie, more like 2.5 hours late, but I had a hard time waking up. The good thing is not gonna be too hot today. And I gotta go find John. He's probably been here since like 5 in the morning. He's probably already ready to go home when I'm just getting here. He just sent me a picture to cut a fish. Although it looks like it's the same picture he sends me every Saturday. So I don't know if he really caught a fish or he's just continuing to send me those pictures like usual. Anyway, we'll go find him. He gave me very specific instructions. He said go that way, then I'm over there. So it's a little confusing, but we're gonna find it. All right, I'm about 2 minutes into my paddle. I'm already tired. Not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. Following those redneck directions, and I'm hoping he meant this way because this sucks. I'm about to paddle through like a mile of grass. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Went about a foot of water. I'm fishing, he said. That mud I just stepped in smells like straight butthole. Sweaty butthole. Well, finally found my free guide service. I've launched at 7 a.m. and he sent me to the wrong side of the lake, so I've been paddling all morning trying to find him while he's over here catching fish. So that's just, when you find these guide service on Craigslist, you might want to look at the reviews. Yeah, when it said free, I should have known, right? Oh yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. How about that? That's a nice one right there, huh? Oh, he just missed it. Got me in the muck. Damn it, that was a good one too. Oh, I got him. Just missed one. Another one. That's a nice little bass right there. They're chunky. Nice one. I like this. You get out here early, you find the spot. I show up late, fed, start catching right away. I don't know if it gets much better than that. You can't get it up? I just heard John, yeah, he can't get it up. I'm hoping he's talking about something fishing related. Did you get one or no? It happened to me a little bit ago with that buzz bait out there.
Eat him wrong. Look at Ron fishing bees.
That's how we do it.
That's why I can't catch them. Maybe they're too little.
It's about Johnny Quest's PB right here.
It's bigger.
Look at that, about 10 pounds.
Pretty close.
It's in that grasp. I don't know if I can get it pulled up.
Look at it. That's the biggest one today.
Look at that.
Hell yeah.
Got a nasty thing on it, but a nice one right there, huh?
Overall, they're showing off.
Got one. There you go. Number 6. Not bad, little one. Number 7, sir. Not a bad one, huh? You forgot to throw me the rope. I think you need to install a winch on that yak. See, I went in between these 2 trees, and that's where I got stuck. This seems a little bit deeper. All right, I got here a little bit late. Just a couple minutes, but how'd you end up, John? How many did you catch?
I caught 3.
You caught 3. I caught 7. Thumb hurts, hands tired of reeling in all them big ones all afternoon long. So yeah. I guess being late paid off today. That buzzbait was doing some work.
That buzz bait was working.
Until next time.